What's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avijit here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. So let's start with today's interview question. And today's interview question is, what is versioning, S3 versioning, and how does it work? And how would you permanently delete a specific version of an object? So when you try to delete a file, when versioning is enabled, it will create a delete marker. You won't be able to delete the file. So today we'll have a look at it. How can we delete it? Okay. And it's the versioning. Let's create a bucket. So if I create a bucket at the time of creation, I can enable the versioning. But I have already created a bucket, so I can just edit. I can go to properties, and then I can edit. Currently, it's disabled. Bucket versioning, you can see it's disabled. So now I can enable it. I can enable this one. And once I enable, if I upload a new updated file, then it won't override the existing file. It will create a new version of it. And again, if I update and upload it a new version, then again there will be new version created. It won't be overwritten. If versioning is not enabled, then it will be overwritten, right? So what is versioning? Versioning keeps multiple versions of an object in the same bucket. If you update or delete an object, old versions are preserved, not overwritten or lost. Okay, I have enabled versioning. Now I can upload one more object. Hi.txt I can upload again. Okay, upload. I'm on upload file dialog. Upload is done, and click on upload. It will be uploaded. Okay, uploaded successfully. Now, if I close, I should be able to see two versions. Yeah, now you can see that show versions. There is a toggle option. If I click on this toggle option, now I'm able to see two versions of hi.txt, right? And this is the version ID is also there. New version ID is there. This one I uploaded today, so you can see the date. And hello.txt, there is only one copy, but hi.txt there are two copies. Okay. Now, if I want to delete, like let's say I delete this one, like I don't enable version, and try to delete this one, what will happen? It will create a delete marker. But if I want to delete particular version, I need to just specify the version ID. You must delete using object's version ID specifically. Normal delete adds a delete marker, doesn't erase old version. Normal delete adds a delete marker, doesn't erase old version. So properties bucket versioning enable, and then I have uploaded twice. Two versions are there. Go to version start, select the specific version you want to delete, action delete, it will be permanently delete. So I will just enable this one. And if I delete now, let's say this one, if I delete, then it will be permanently deleted. So the delete objects will be deleted in an object. Okay, if an object is selected for deletion, any new object on the same link are uploaded. Yes, permanently delete objects. Permanently delete objects. So I will select permanently delete because I have selected the version ID. Okay, and so it got deleted. Now you can see that there is currently now only one version is available. Yes, only one version is available for hi.txt. And from command line also you can do that. Create a bucket and you upload some files twice. Upload the file, modify the file, write some extra text, and again upload it. And then two versions will be created. So if you want to delete by version ID, you have to specify the version ID. AWS S3 delete object, bucket, your bucket name, key is your file.txt, whatever file name. And then you mention version ID, version ID. So the version ID you have to provide. Key, file name, version ID, and bucket name. If you use this, then you will be able to delete this object. So important point to remember, deleting without version ID creates just a delete marker. Object looks deleted, but old version exists. Delete with version ID removes specific version permanently. Okay. Now let's go to today's quiz section. What happened when you delete an object in a version S3 bucket without specifying a version ID? If you delete object without specifying version ID, what happens? A delete marker is added, right? It doesn't get deleted. So C is the correct answer. Delete marker is added. How can you permanently delete a specific version of an object in S3? You can delete the delete marker, specify the version ID while deleting. So answer is D, right? You have to specify the version ID while deleting. After uploading two versions of file.txt in a version enabled bucket, how can you delete? How can you see both versions? You have to, from version tab of the object, you can see the both version. The way we have seen it, like we have to enable this toggle one, and then we can see the both version. Okay. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video and please like it, share it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow Devops Challenge Hub LinkedIn page and also follow WhatsApp channel Devops Challenge Hub. You will get regular updates and you can participate on Devops Challenge Hub. I organize quiz contest daily. And thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.